Are you ready to make every ride count? Let your friends and family keep tabs on your location while you're out riding. Bjorn from REVER here. We're gonna walk through LiveRIDE safety features. So let's dive in. There are 3 distinct features within LiveRIDE Safety Suite. First, we have show your location on the map. If you have this enabled and your REVER friend has this enabled, you'll be able to see your location on the main map. This is super helpful if you're out riding, maybe scouting a trail, and you lose your riding buddy, and you can see their active location. The second feature is to share a link. This will allow any non-REVER user to follow along on your journey, to keep tabs on you, and make sure that you make it to your destination. The third feature is to share a safety SMS. With this, as soon as you hit ride it or record, it will send a text message to your safety contact with your current location, as well as a live link to follow along on your journey. This is super helpful because when you make it to the end of your ride and you hit finish, it will send a text message letting them know that you made it to your destination or wherever you ended your ride. Check out REVER's LiveRIDE safety features and keep the rubber side down. Ride on.